Welcome back, guys. Today doing something a little different in a way. We're actually fixing two 3DS's for a viewer. Everything I've ever fixed on here has been something I've bought. It's been my own, so if I don't fix it, I don't care. But this, pressure's on a little bit because I want to get this done right for this viewer. So let's send over the two 3DS's. First one we're going to look at, OG one, little blue one. Now, they've sent over a screen with it because there was a screen swap attempted here. Didn't quite go to plan, and if you've never done one, you know these things don't go to plan because they're a bit of a pain, to be honest. So let's plug it back in, get this everything reconnected, and we'll see what the problem is, just to be sure. A little bit of a charging issue here. Might be a loose port, could be a dicky cable, could be a bad battery. Battery shouldn't be bad, it's brand new. They purchased two brand new batteries with this. So let's see. Plugged in everything just enough so that it should work, hopefully. And yep. So we'll get the screen out that they've sent over. And that looks to be a bottom screen, not a top screen. Whoops. Alright, I've got top screen, so we'll just use my one. Today's video is sponsored by PCBWay, the best place to go for custom-made PCBs, CNC cutting and 3D printing. They provide high-quality products and quick turnaround times with worldwide shipping. I'll leave a link to their site in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. And now let's continue saving these 3DS's for the viewer.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, make a change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
got it all swapped over. Let's see if it works before we put everything back together. Moment of truth. Make sure we didn't damage any of the other ribbon cables or anything. We've got backlight. Hey! It's scrolling because the circle pad's not plugged in. So that's not an issue. We'll get this all closed back up again. And we'll carry on with the other one. Got it all plugged in. Make sure it all works now. That's back in one piece. Beautiful. Happy with that. Make sure all things are working. Touchscreen looks alright. Everything else was fine. I'm going to crack on with the new 3DS now. So this one was described as some liquid damage and broken connectors. So if you can see here, this shoulder button connector is toast, and there's some signs of the liquid damage down there. That's one of the broken connectors. We're going to attempt to power this one on as well, just to see if there's any other issues. But those ZIF connectors are looking a little bit rough. They're a bit of a pain. Like if they get peeled up, they never peel back down again, and they won't work properly. That one's missing the sides. So let's see what happens. They're plugged in. Pop. And it turned off. I'm applying pressure to that ZIF connector that's broken, and it does turn on. Screens look alright. So we're going to go ahead and replace these connectors, and hopefully that's all that's wrong with it. This one first, shoulder button. And there's the liquid damage they were describing. Looks sticky. It's sticky. Some soda maybe. Bit of Coke. Oh, have to clean all that up too. So there's our new connector. These are pretty small. That one's a little bit broken. You can see on the top left there that there's a bit missing, and it's been peeled up, so it doesn't make a solid connection anymore. This is one of those things where this top one, I'm just going to blast it with heat and remove it because it doesn't matter. It's broken, it's going. But the new one's absolutely going to heat that up from the bottom. Don't want to burn them, don't want to break them, don't want to warp them, melt them, anything like that. So we're just going to get rid of the old solder, get some fresh stuff on there, and hopefully we can line it up all right and then heat it up from below. The way my microscope is, I can't heat up from below while looking under the microscope, so I've got to put it on my board holder thingamajig, which is off somewhere else. So hopefully lines up all right, I don't mess it up. We'll give it a whirl and see. Alright, moment of truth time again. Got those god-awful little connectors replaced. See if it'll turn on. Happy as Larry. Eee. Once again, that circle pad's not plugged in, so it's going all over the screen. So once we get everything else plugged in, it'll be all good. We've got some liquid on the inside of the casing here too. Probably in that shoulder button as well. Look at that. Brown town. Definitely want to clean that up. It'll make things worse over time if you don't. We'll just test again with the back on. Yeah, left shoulder button's alright, right one is not. So we'll disassemble that. We'll get that button out. Need some IPA in it. Gonna use some contact cleaner in it. Give it some clicks. Give it a brush. Yeah, there's definitely soda in that. See if it comes good with a bit of this magical stuff. If so, happy days. Contact cleaner, get on it. It's good stuff. I have to rapidly click it a bit, work its way through, and try again. How are we looking this time? The left one's still working. Right, both the right ones working. Told you it's magical stuff. Tried all the other buttons and the circle pad and everything. Let's try the home button. Oh no. Disaster. Have to replace another one of these little bad boys. Another ZIF connector. That's the third one. Painful little things. But here we go. Ah, beautiful. So there we have it. 3DS and a 3DS XL fixed for the viewer. Happy with that result. Ta-da! Both on and working now. For the moment that 8 of you have been waiting for, I'm going to give away this board. Still working all these weeks later, still boots up happily. So just the board. We're just giving away the board. I'm going to draw a random number, we'll do that now. So I've put all the entries into a Gmail folder. I'm going to count from 1 to 8, starting at the bottom. So whichever number comes up in the random number generator, we'll get an email back saying winner, winner, chicken dinner. Between 1 and 8, what do we get? 8, right at the top. Okay. That goes to someone called Your Mum. Your Mum is the winner. So I'm going to send you an email. You have a week to reply. If I don't hear back, I'll draw it again. Apart from that, I think we're all good. I'll let the viewer know that these consoles are fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we shall see you in the next one.